DCP Gachagua onyero meko mar jagoro mongirore migao mar teko Mohamed Liban, director mar bad migao magayo nengo mauta Daniel Kipto kachiel gi manager maduong mar bad migao mar keyo mauta Jo Sang kawacho ni mago ne gin chenro mag Ruto. Kalore Gachagua, Ruto ne ochano meko mag ji adekgo nikech ne gikwedo winjruok mar kelo mauta pacho kae e kind piny Kenya kod pinje mag Jo-Arabu mong'ere kaka G2G. Chenro mowacho ni Ruto nitiere go gi dwaro mage owuon. Gachagua wacho ni chenro makamano ne omedo suru ma ijuogo mauta pacho ka gi atamalo 8 ma en siling 7 lita ka lita mar mauta ka duoko piny nengo mauta.
The MD kept EPRA and let the PS go home. The only crime they have committed is to deny William Ruto more profit for the benefit of the people of Kenya. We also want to be fair to those officers. Those are patriotic Kenyans who wanted fuel to come at a reasonable price because G2G is fixed and the profit goes to William Ruto. That is the challenge that we are having as a country. William Ruto increased 8% of VAT for petroleum products. Then he added another 7 shillings for fuel levy. He used the fuel levy 7 shillings to borrow from banks 175 billion. This 175 billion is what him and Kindiki have been going around bribing people in Kenya. The only way to stabilize prices is for William Ruto to do away with the 8% VAT and to remove the 7 shillings, which is fuel levy. But he doesn't want because he wants profit.